Hey guys, it's Luna. I thought I would start this vlog off right here because I have a big event day today. I thought I would take you along and show you what a day in the life of an influencer is. No, kind of, I guess. I don't really see myself that way, but anyway, these events are super fun and I love going to them, genuinely. So, we have two today. I'm on my way right now to downtown LA, my favorite place on earth. The first one is Tarte Cosmetics. You definitely know who they are, love their events. It's like a workout event though, so. And then I have Laser Way tonight, and you guys know I work with them all the time. Love them. That's the plan. I'll talk to you when I get there. Oh my god, that's cute! Oh. Hey! Okay guys, I'm here at the event with Tati. Hi, it's me, in the flesh. You guys definitely know her. The real life. In the flesh. We're about to work out right now. You guys, look. We should get like a window spot, right? Yeah. In the back. If you're watching this, go drink some water. Oh my god. I binged all of your videos. That was... We're working hard. I'm working hard at my plank. Just do a quick jogging place.
The channel, watch me switch my handle, rolling Gucci sandals, yeah, hey, I might hit a lay, all my boys are cray, you fake boys get way, back, yeah, can't keep cash away, no, every day a payday, she on me like, hey, yeah, make you my baby, she said that she liked the way I say your name, and oh my, you been on my mind lately, oh my, you been on my mind lately. I said, oh, you know that I couldn't let you go. Told you that I keep you good for sure. Told you that I keep you good for sure.
Just finished the workout and they gave me a smoothie. That was so fun. I just grabbed so much stuff. I'm stocked for life. So cute. We're done. How long did that last? Like 30 minutes? Yeah. Maybe 40? It was a short and quick event. The events are so fun. And then you just find all this new stuff. Like I found this candy. I'm a crazy candy person, like gummies and sour stuff. And it's like this healthy candy and I just discovered it. So now I know. And then you meet so many new people, obviously. You saw I met Tati. We've been like chatting online and texting and we finally got to meet each other, which is really exciting. I'm sure all of you guys watch your videos, but we're so similar and we never knew. I'm literally so dumb, but I read it wrong and my Laser Away event was for Thursday. So I went to lunch with Tatiana and then I'd shopped around Santa Monica alone for so long. So random. And now I'm in Malibu and I'm meeting my brother. We're just gonna go to Urban and then probably just go in the ocean because it's such a nice day. Hey guys, it's the next day. I'm just kind of chilling at home. I wanted to show you guys these new glasses I just got because glasses have been my thing lately, so I want to let you guys in on a little secret. Okay, so you guys know I'm crazy about glasses. I always have been. Even when I was little, I remember I would actually take my mom's prescription glasses in elementary school and I'd wear them to school and I'd have like the worst headache and my teachers would be like, Luna, like when do you start wearing glasses? And I'm like, I do now, and I'd like can't see anything because it's all blurry, but I just love the look of having glasses. I'm obviously thankful that I have like 20/20 vision, but I've always wanted to look very smart and I love the look of clear glasses on me. So I'm talking to you today about glassesusa.com. They actually sponsored this video, which I'm very excited about because you guys know I like glasses and sunglasses and they offer everything. So by cutting out the middleman, glassesusa.com offers prescription glasses at up to 70% off retail prices. So you're getting that deal. Now you can finally shop for prescription glasses online at affordable prices without leaving your home, which is super convenient. You can add prescription to any of the glasses and sunglasses on their website. You just have to pick your preference. For me, obviously, I get 0 prescription. If I needed prescription, I would definitely get prescription in these ones, but I think they're so cute just to walk around in. And then these ones are also so cute, just like a cat eye, like Aunt Luna over here. Look. Hey. Another thing I love about glassesusa.com is that they have a virtual mirror. So my problem with sunglasses is that I have like a big head. And a lot of the time sunglasses look weird on me, but you can try on any pair of frames and see how it would look on your face just by uploading a photo of you, and then they put the glasses on you. It's so dope. Okay, and they also offer sunglasses. These are so cool. I was wearing these earlier, as you guys saw. They're kind of red, like, so cool. So cool. The last pair I got definitely looked like glasses. Like, this is what I wear when I want to go get like a loan. I'm gonna go to the bank in these. So if you want to check out glassesusa.com, visit the link in my description box to get a special offer just for you. Again, you don't need a prescription. They offer all types of lenses and sunglasses, and the prices are unreal. Hey guys, so it's nighttime now. I didn't update you guys because literally all I've been doing is writing Depop orders. My room's actually a disaster. And also, like, when my room's a mess, I'm a mess. I've just been feeling really anxious all day, like all this work stuff that I'm constantly thinking about, and like I can't sleep because I'm thinking about it, and then I haven't had time to work out or dance at all, and that's honestly stressing me out because I just don't feel good. No energy, like I could fall asleep at any time in the day, and I just feel unmotivated. This video probably seems really stupid to you guys, but if I'm being real, a day job, yeah, is boring, a 9-to-5 office job, but you go in there and you do your work and then you can not think about it at night. And then, you know, you have a job like mine where you're pretty much self-employed, but you're constantly thinking about it and constantly stressing about it. But I am able to like go out and do stuff and whatever, but you know, I guess that's my rant today. First order of business tonight is to clean my room. Tonight I had a little bit of a panic attack from, randomly enough, finances. I was talking to some friends about like taxes and all that, and I just don't know anything about anything. I don't know how to pay taxes. I don't know what my monthly income is. I like couldn't tell you anything, and I have had so many people try to explain it to me, and I just simply don't understand. And I need to like take a class, go through my finances. It's like way too much. Being an adult is hard. Like, most kids my age are learning how to do laundry right now, and I'm over here figuring out if I can rent a car and pay rent and like pay taxes. I don't know how to do that. Very stressed. I feel like I've been really negative this whole vlog, so right now I'm going to show you the fun part of working in the social media world, which includes like PR and the free gifts you get, which is always really fun. So I'm going to show you what I got at the event yesterday. Palette collaborations can be really like bright colors, but it's so neutral. I'm really excited for it. There's a setting spray, which I actually needed. This is the lip oil, little Sugar Rush bronzer, Tarte smoothing primer, Maneater mascara, which is so cute. And then at the event, they were promoting APL sneakers. This was the last color they had in my size, and it's like so not me at all, but I'm gonna try and make it me. You know what I mean? Like Billie Eilish vibes. Maybe neon green is my new thing. I actually just got a gym membership today, so it's actually good that I got these because I don't own any sneakers. And they were giving out these like Gymshark sets, but they didn't have any leggings for me, so I got a little bra. Yeah, so that's always fun. Testing out new products and just supporting companies, always fun. Hey guys, Max is here. It's a new day, it's the next day. Today is kind of a work day. I am late on 2 things I have to send to my manager. One is a post for this event I'm doing tomorrow, and I have to post that today. And then another one is a story post that I have to post today, and I was supposed to submit both of them tomorrow, but I was at those events, as I showed you guys, so I'm a little stressed. So we just went Instagram snapping, which sounds really stupid that that's like a job, but it is, honestly. Trying to go around and find locations and get the right shot, you know? I don't know. I think this vlog is good because it's really easy to say that YouTube is an easy job, an easy way to get money, but it's very much not, so that's that. Okay, right now we are on our way to the Cricket Wireless event that I posted about on my Instagram. Here with Kara, my bestest friend. This is her first event with me. We are in the car now, and talk to you when I'm there.
Is she getting powdered?
Right now, we're at the live cricket performance. This is so cool. I was so not expecting this, you guys. We're like right in front of Julia Michael. She's like talking to us. I'll show you guys when she's about to sing. This is like a full-on set, you guys. Like actually, like.
Heads up, Travis. We're gonna put for her a little sign in right back here.
There we go. Beautiful, thank you.
Brought to you by Cricket Wireless. Let's go. Woo!
All my friends, they don't know what it's like. They don't understand why. Yeah, I've got issues. And when there was something I need you.
We're about to meet her. I'm so excited. I'm actually scared. I know, I'm like scared. Oops, I'm sorry. Alright, so we're...
Okay. Can we get everybody to go to your left?
Chris here first.
1, 2, 3. Great. Thank you, ladies.
Awesome.
All right, next.
Okay, just got home from the event. Whoa. That was the funnest event I have ever been to. Look, I even got like a signed poster. I never really realized that I'm actually like a true Julia Michaels stan. Like I knew like all the lyrics, and we had like a front row VIP like spot. It was so fun. I just posted a picture for Cricket. I want to show you guys my outfit. So the dress is actually from Pull & Bear in Paris. They don't have it in the US, but it's really cute. And then these boots, oh my gosh, are my new favorite. They're from Princess Polly. Little knee-high black boot. So that's the fit. Oh, the golden hour. And now I'm gonna show you a fun night off where I go to dinner with my friends and hang out with my friends, because I do that sometimes. I'm a normal person. Oh yeah? I'm a normal girl. Let's go to dinner. Let's go.
Wait, aren't the meatballs like insane? Aren't the meatballs like insane here? I don't like them. We don't like them.
I can't do all of it. I can't do all of it. Okay, I've just been doing work and I swear wearing these glasses makes me more productive. Anyway, that's all for this video. Right now I'm just working, doing some stuff on my computer, answering emails, all that good stuff. A lot of people I know always want to get into it, and like it seems kind of easy, like filming a video, editing, uploading, but it's hard. It's much harder than you think it is. But I mean, all the power to you if you want to start. Like, I support you, I want to help you, but just know it's not that easy. Don't forget to check out glassesusa.com in the description box below, and get a special offer, and then we can all twin with our glasses. Anyway, love you guys. See you next week. Bye.